This place looks rather abandoned. I could probably make a good hibernating den out of this. It's gonna be a long winter, I can tell. Oh, hello there, young human. What's a pretty little thing like you doing chained down to the roots of this tree like this? You're being kept captive here. Oh, is this place occupied? By a werewolf, you say? Oh, that would explain the rather simple decorations around here. And the smell of rotten flesh on bones. Such uncivilized creatures, werewolves, never can clean up after themselves. Well, never you fear. Because if that werewolf comes back for you, you'll have me here to protect you. Oh, yes, I probably should introduce myself, shouldn't I? Well, I'm another kind of were-creature that lives in these forests. I am what you might call a werebear. Yes, a werebear. And I've been looking for somewhere to hibernate. The winter months are coming in fast, so I thought I would make use of this den because, well, I thought it was abandoned. But if a werewolf was using this place, I would be all too happy to evict him. Filthy animals they are. No sense of decorum. No sense of civilization to them. And it shows with him chaining up such a beautiful specimen such as yourself. How did you get mixed up in all of this? You were exploring with your friends. You got separated. And you happened to find yourself looking directly at a werewolf. And he hunted you. Of course he did. Let me guess. Said he would make you his mate. And yet he hunted you like prey. How very typical of a werewolf. Like I say, not very civilized creatures. But don't worry, darling. You're safe now. under my care. I'll see to it that that werewolf never harms you again. So long as I'm here.
What are you doing in my den, bear?
Oh, speak of the devil and he shall appear.
You have no right being here, least of all being anywhere near my darling like that.
Your darling? The last I knew, wolf, humans were not to be kept as property.
He's not just property. He is my mate. We are going to have a family together. He and I are going to be very happy together with our puppies. Isn't that right, darling?
Oh, now look, you frightened the poor dear. He doesn't even know how you are even intending to have puppies with him. Surely you've already told him the process of transformation?
All in good time, bear. I didn't want to rush, my darling.
Yet you seem to have been all too quick to chain him down like an animal, like some sort of prize pet on display. A fine display of love if ever I saw one.
You dare question my love for my darling? That's it, bear. You have this coming. Are you alright, my love? No, my love. You don't have to be scared anymore. I promise. The werebear is dead. As will anyone be if they try to take my love away from me. This is my love for you, my darling. This is how much I love you. I will defend you with my very life. I will bear these scars and many more for you because I love you, my darling. And we are going to have so many beautiful puppies together.
You must be starving. Let me get dinner ready. I love you so much, my precious mate.